She likes a content.
Эме,
Do you agree?
можно снимать десең.
Мақұл деп.
Өзүн тааныштырсың.
Ja, du sollst mal freundlich werden.
Ja, aber ich versuch's.
Бүгүн Балчелекте Германиядан келген меймандар балмустак жеп атышат.
Ja.
Балмустак жагып турбу?
Do you like our ice cream?
Ja.
It says here.
It's not so sweet.
Ah, yes.
Normally it's too sweet for my taste, but this is fine.
Өтө ширин эмес экен, норма экен дейт. Дам аябай дам экен дейт.
Каймактуу десең.
It's very tasty and we make it just milk, normal sugar.
So totally homemade?
Yes.
Okay.
Great.
We had some in the Netherlands a few years ago. It was so sweet we couldn't even finish it. It was like, ooh. But this is good.
More ice, yeah.
What is the advertisement for? What is this in this cup?
Our national drinks.
What is it?
Ди Каприо.
Ja.
Эмне суусундук дейт.
Максым.
Максым.
Националь. Улуттук суусундук десең.
Schmeckt genauso gruselig.
What is it? What is it made of? It's milk? No.
No, it's our national drink.
Yeah.
It's made by. We make it from water. We add it some rice. Yes, rice and salt, and we boil it 2 hours. And what? We add it 4 minutes. Just I will bring. You may taste it. Okay.
Yeah, I would like to test it.
I don't think so.
But I would like to try it.
Okay.
Туристтердин ушундай жатакана, гостиница, машинеси бар экен. Германиядан чыккан. Бар жокту ушул жерде жашап, ушул жерде саякаттайт экен да. Ди Каприону монтаж кылып, калпак кийгизип, Максым ичирип койсом, ушул жакты буларга. Максымды сурап атышат. Кандай улуттук суусундук десек.
Made by flour,
Okay.
buckwheat, and some rice.
Willst du probieren?
This is legit.
Okay.
Ja, dann mal zum Wohl, ne?
Ja, jetzt bist du mal fällig hier.
Ja, was denn? It's called how?
Түрдүү витаминдер бар десең ичинде.
It has a lot of vitamins.
This is the national...
National, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, how do you call it?
Awesome. Yes.
And people drink it for the... when they... for that it's
When they are thirsty.
thirsty.
Thirsty. Yeah. Every day. The drink comes here. Salt in a day. 10 liters.
Wonach schmeckt es?
I don't know. It tastes different. I never had it taste like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a little bit like soda.
Yeah.
Blah, 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 on your tongue.
Сол эжилеп сүйлөйт.
Weißen so ein bisschen.
Wieso ist auch schon mal spitze? Ich habe ihn richtig dran.
Ja.
Oh, wir haben unser Blutzeug verloren, du hast es abgezogen.
Машина жакшы экен, машина.
Ja.
Ich glaube, wir sollen es eigentlich nicht. What did she say? She was asking something, but I didn't understand.
She wants to look for your cars.
Yes,
Inside.
Yeah, inside.
Okay.
So the ladies will go.
Interesting.
Well, it's just a little home on wheels.
Here's a home.
Hast du Schlüssel? Ja.
Ja, klar.
Тиішмесең
Ja. А, итте мышығы бар екен. Жақсы.
You can come inside.
Ай, бүт үй тұрған жерлері, жатақанасы, кухнясы, душы да бар өкшет, душ.
Bathroom.
Ай, thank you.
And bed. Up there.
Бар жағы бар екен.
Der Hund, ne?
Der Hund hat da gelegen, alles gut. Nö, Schwiegermama ist cool.
Cat and dog?
Yes?
They're friendly.
Oh, yes.
Very good.
The cat sleeps on the dog
Oh,
at night. They're best friends.
good.
Біз жөнде жақшы ойда қалып атады, шетелдіктер.
I'm going to go to Bishkek.
Okay, yes. We have a mechanical problem. Something broke. And up in Korok, in the Pamir Mountains, they fixed it. But they didn't have the proper part. So now the car is split like this.
Yeah.
And my daughter from Germany sent no, it's a suspension. It's the spring that goes this. So the whole vehicle is too low at the front. And she sent the part to Bishkek.
To Bishkek.
But then we will probably take it to Almaty
Almaty.
to get it replaced because they have a sprinter
Yes.
workshop.
Was ist das?
Yes.
Oh, she will love it. Ah, Ulrike, guck mal hier. Selbst gepflückt, ganz frisch. Da, nimm dir mal.
Yep. See, this is Kazakhstan. Nobody. Come to Osh. So it was like, no.
Біздің ел жөнді бірінші впечатлениялары қандай екен?
How do you think our village, our people?
Oh, it's wonderful, and look at the beautiful flowers, and we like this so much better than any town, you know, and the cool trees and the water running around. This is what we've got. It's so nice.
Не дейді?
Бұл жер аябай салқын екен, адамдар да жөнөкөй екен дейді. Бұл жерде отырып дес ала тұрған жер екен дейді.
Bestimmt.
Und sowas in der Richtung, glaube ich schon.
Анын негизгиси меймандос екен.
Das ist gut, ne? Ich nehme noch was.
Балчылык жөнінде да сұрачы? Балчылык жөнінде. Общий. Негізіне.
So can we take a picture of you? Because I have like a travel blog for the family and so on. So I would like to take a picture of the two of you and post it on my blog. So maybe somewhere inside where you can show the.
Okay. Бірінші сілермен суретке түше алайыншы дейді.
Nur Zuckerberg. Nee, wie heißt das? Zuckerberg.
Да, теріп кел.
I love it. All those children just running around.
Yeah.
We got 5 at home.
But our children are grown.
Yeah.